Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again and we're ready to test this baby out. This is the new Makeup by Yolondo x Keandrea Taylor Barbie Things collab. So if you want to see, this new collab, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. My neck hurts. Okay, so that was weird. So I don't know, my husband said it's just, I'm gonna throw it away, so I shouldn't really worry about it. I feel like the packaging is a little bit cheap, but compared to the other packaging, I don't know, I feel like this is kind of flimsy, but I did just throw it away. So we take her off. So it came with the palette. Yeah, I guess this kind of feels the same. And then it also came with a brush, and I think it was $50. So the palette looks like so. It's very pretty, very pretty, very pretty. And I don't know, like, is it? I'm just swatching a couple of the colors. I don't know. I mean, so I swatched Influencer and then Screwed. So I feel like it's kind of the same thing as her other formulas. That's how it feels. But we're gonna, test it out. How many shades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 shades. I don't know what to go with. Let's go into this shade right here called Screwed. And the brush is an M1. And we're just gonna put this here. And my lid is primed with the Makeup by Yolondo primer. What shade is this anyways? The foundation shade. So I put it out and then I stamp the edges a little bit. And then I'm just gonna buff the edges just a little bit. Now I'm gonna clean my blush. So this, yeah, it's the same formula as her other stuff. So I don't know what to go in. Oh, and her like influencer name or whatever is Barb. So I'm guessing that's where this come from. So we're gonna go in with Barb's, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna put this like right here. Right here. And I'm using the same brush, I just clean it off. I'm just gonna dust it off right here. And then I don't know, what should I put? What should I put in my inner corner? I'm actually gonna go into this orange shade called Patrick, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corners, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Let's do Patrick. So I'm still using the same brush actually. So maybe, just maybe, you can create a whole eye look with that same brush. So I thought this orange was gonna be a lot brighter, but it's not, which is fine. Yeah, I like how it turns out. And then I'm gonna clean this up again. I'm gonna go back to Barb's. And now I'm gonna clean this up again, and then I'm gonna go back to the first shade, which was Screwed. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Okay, like this is quite pretty. And I'm gonna clean up my brush with no product on it, and I'm just gonna like dust off like the edges. Like so. Yeah, and then that's it. So I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. I love how this look turned out, but let's jump into this foundation. Let's jump into her, right? Let's see. I have shade NW4W40 honey bronze. I don't know, this looks light, but we're gonna see. Yeah, this might be a little bit light. Ooh. I don't know. So I didn't prime. Let's prime a little bit. This is my Tats Cleanse Timeless Pore Smoothing Primer. I'm just only gonna put it here and at the side of my nose. Nothing crazy, but let's go back to this foundation. I think this foundation is too light, so I can already feel that it's light. Yeah, it's light, like I can tell it's light, and it is not medium coverage. Oh, it's not full coverage. I feel like this is a bit buildable to light. I don't know. This feels like a greasy mess. And I'm gonna put on my my Tarte Shape Tape. I just mix everything together. I'm gonna use my ABH bronzer. This is not good. But you know, I can usually make this work. I'm gonna use this brush, and this is from One Size Beauty. Is the Chick Clapper Fire Starter, and I'm gonna use the cream one. Actually, I'm gonna come back to this. Let me blend my concealer first. Cause Miss Tarte Shape Tape is be like drying so fast. And then I'm just gonna brush this off a little bit, like right here. This was my contour brush. So, and just do the same thing here. I'm gonna use this brush. This is 752, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is the cream. Oh god, this is a lot. Yeah, don't. Like, yeah, I know this is a lot, but I'm not too worried about it. I look like somebody just punched me. So I have this face powder from Givenchy, and this is the Press Me Libre Voila Rose, and she looks like so. It's like 3 different shades, and it has a little spongy thingy. So when you tap like that, it's like all the shades are coming together. All the shades are coming together. Okay, so this smells like roses. That's cute. And I like this. I love the feeling of these. Man, this looks airbrushed. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this powder from Sephora, which is the Micro Smooth powder. My shade is what, 30? Perfect. Perfect. I look like a ghost, but it's good. While this is drying, let us finish up the face. I actually used this the other day and I really like it. It's from Ace Beauty. It's Bronze in Paradise. So I'm gonna use that to, you know, bronze up my face. Some bareMinerals, and it is a blooming blush. Oh, I guess it's a blush brush. Well, we're gonna use that in bronze. First, I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is the second darkest shade, I think. Not I think, that is the second darkest shade. I'm just gonna put this like right here. And I'm gonna bring it up to my forehead. And now we're gonna go in to this shade right here and just kind of buff adjust the edges. Now let us go back to mix this, and I'm gonna just mix these two shades, I think. Okay, that's too much. I'm the oh my god. So let's just say I went a little bit crazy with the blush, but you know what? It's fine. We're gonna use this from BH X Doja Cat. I'm just gonna put it right here. That is it. Now let me go finish up my eyes. I'm going to bronze-ish something, but you know, I'm pre-gaming. I mean, I guess I'm pre-gaming maybe. Maybe a little bit. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do Screwed and these two shades. I'm not gonna go too crazy. So I'm gonna use this. This is a T66 from Makeup Shack. Man, I still buy brushes from Makeup Shack all the time. No, I don't know. I think it's because I buy like a lot of my eyeshadows from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. So I just order everything there. Let's use a little bit of Bob's. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a 212, and we're gonna go into Patrick. Yep, let's put Lucky in the waterline. Maybe. Let's see. This is what? This is actually a lipstick. It's takeout from, oh, it's a pump line lip liner from Buxom. And we're gonna use Comely from, which company is that? Holika. I love this. Let me dust off my face. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. Like I had fun creating this, you know, brunchy look. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.